Hamza beta, define physics.
Physics is the branch of science which deal with the study of properties of matter, energy, and their mutual relationship is called physics.
Describe some branches of physics.
The main branches of physics are: number first, mechanics. The branch of physics which deal with the moving object, its causes and effect is called mechanics. Number second, heat and thermodynamics. The branch of physics which deal with the study of nature, properties, uses, effects, and
Modes of transfer.
of heat is called heat and thermodynamics. Number third, oscillation and waves. The branch of physics which deal with the study of oscillation to and from motion and waves is called oscillation and waves.
Well done, Shabs. Number four.
Fourth, optics. The branch
done.
of physics which deal with the study of
With the nature
and properties
of life.
of light, like reflection, diffraction, interference, propagation, and dispersion is called optics.
Well done.
Fifth,
Number five. Well done, Shabas.
electricity and magnetism.
Uh-huh.
The branch of physics which deal with the study of charges at rest and their relationship is called electricity and
Their effects and their relationship is called.
electricity and magnetism.
Well done. Number six.
Number six, atomic and nuclear physics. The
Well
branch of physics with the structure and
We deal with the structure.
which deals with the structure and function and properties of atom and nuclei is called atomic and nuclear physics.
Well done. Number seven. The last one.
Relativity.
Well
The
done.
branch of physics which deal with the study of motion of objects, including very high speed and gravitation.
Well done, Shabas.